pros, welcome if you're new. And today I'm going to make an infinite snowball farm. You can construct this off any block, but I'm using glass so you can see through it. And here's how to build a cage for the actual entity that's going to produce the snow, aka snowman. That's why I call it snow golem. So yes, just place, you have to have this. This cannot be deconstructed because, yeah. And then like 1, 2, this whole thing needs to be there, but yes, so like that, 1, 2, 3, 3 blocks tall. 1, 2, 3. Bap, bap, bap. Except these two. These don't need to be there. And then I'm gonna flex. I'm gonna bridge up with glass. And here's how it gets the snow. Basically, like you go to a mountain or an icy taiga or tundra, get your trusty shovel, and then mine this top snow or snow. It depends on what edition you are. I have the bedrock edition. That's why this is this block, like this one, like, you know, this is called top snow. So then I'm gonna show you how to construct the actual snow golem. Oh yeah, the cage is for the snow golem not to escape. So yeah. Also, how do you like my new intro? And place this right there, and that's how. But also, I'm gonna shoot this to show the true face. This is how the snow golem looks like with true face. But without the true face, it'll just look like the head is a pumpkin. So here's how this works. A snowman will basically like place a top snow on every block below it. So yeah, if you break that top snow, it will replace that top snow. See? And with the shovel, it gives you a snowball. And bye. This is the end of today's episode. And bye. I'll catch you next time.